prepping for spring slash summer. Got the Wahoo kicker up on the Amanda. I'm actually practicing smashing my stem, so I lowered it and then using this thing. And this thing is tough. I love it. My spin bike has no comparison. This thing kicks your butt, really gets you stronger. But I'm trying to get more arrow, so But this video, I wanted to talk about this is a bike I had for a while. Too small for me, but another bike I got. If anybody, in our group rides wanted to come along, it's smaller, so mostly like women or shorter people. But I got this online from a woman who was a triathlete. It's a Dawes Lightning 2300. I don't know the year. But this thing is really fast, and this is a 48. So, because it was so small, I made some changes. I bought a riser stem to lift up, the front, and got this seat fairly recently. It's supposed to be memory foam. But yeah, just another, I paid under, what is she? I think $70, $75 for this. She was cleaning out, her house, and she doesn't compete anymore. But yeah, this thing, and I put some flat pedals. Any beginner, anybody who just wants to get started, family. Got a little weight to it since I put the heavier seat and pedals, but what is this? What are we using up here? Well, I know we got 5 derailleurs. But yeah, this thing, the company, I was researching it to see how often they put out road bikes. I don't know if they still do, but yeah, it's a nice, cool bike for anybody who want to just tag along. And when you get on this thing does fly. So, Dawes Lightning 2300, aka Black Lightning.